Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, and in this video we will take a look into Claude Code, a terminal based AI that can generate code, format your files, structure your application, debug your application, run your application, and much more. So let's get started. I am here on official documentation of Anthropic, and it shows how to install your Claude code on your machine. So I'm come here, and in my terminal I write the same command. Let me copy that, and I'll say sudo since I'm using my bad. I'll provide my password, and it will install the package. Now you need to write this command Claude to start the Claude, and it is showing that this is a research preview and blah 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 blah, and you can choose the text style. I'll go with light text. So it will show that pricing may evolve as we move forwards, and it asks us to hit enter so that we can log in. I will log in via my account. It will ask to provide a payment method. I will add one of my payment method and then come back. So I have done all the processes. Now I'm already set. So I'll close this window and come here, and it says that login successful. Press enter to continue. I'll say that, and it shows some security notes. Obviously using this can do different things than you intended to do. Then okay, you trust. Okay, so it's asking that do you trust the folder. I'll say yes, and enable automatic updates, blah 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 blah. Press enter. Okay, so now you can see that I'm set, and what I intend to build is a Telegram bot that utilizes OpenAI Assistant as a backend, and it answers all the questions user has asked to Telegram, and Telegram via OpenAI Assistant get the answer from it and send it back to the user. So I'll come here and I'll say create a Telegram bot using node.js TypeScript PNPM. This bot should use, okay, let's start with this create a Telegram bot using node.js TypeScript and PNPM. I'll say nodemon is installed globally on my system. Yeah, let's start and see how it goes. And obviously when it does perform, or it wants to perform an action, it will ask for the confirmation. So I'll go and say yes. And meanwhile, let me show you that it is actually writing code as well. So let's say yes. Let's say yes. it has, you can see, created a .env file with this. So what I'll do is that I'll open my Telegram and get the key from boat father. Okay, let me, and don't worry about me, sharing this key, because it's not that serious matter. I'll delete once I record the video. So now let's come here and let's say yes. It's adding getignore file, and so it has created a boat using Telegraph, and let's say yes, add this file. And it has added a readme. Let me say yes. Okay, so you can see it has done these things. And so let's try and running the application pnpm dev, hopefully. Okay, so you can see the boat is up. And let me bring back my Telegram, and if I come here and if I say start, okay, welcome to your new Telegram bot, type help to see available commands. Let's hit about. Okay, so you can see that it works out of the box. And let's try adding some functionalities like let's say I have an OpenAI assistant. When user sends a text message on the Telegram bot, I want to use the Assistant API to generate the answer. I have Assistant ID and OpenAI API key. Let's see how it works. I'll hit enter. Okay, so it is asking to add OpenAI. That's a good thing. Okay, it is asking me to add few variables, so I'll hit enter, and meanwhile it creates that thing. Let's check here, and you can see we have OpenAI API key and Assistant ID. So I will very quickly add those things, and yeah, it has added. Okay, and let's say yes. Okay, yes, it has added on text. It is now going to utilize the OpenAI assistant. It has updated the readme file as well. That's great. I'll hit enter. Okay, let me hit enter one more time. Okay, so you can see that it has done few things. So let me pause the video and add my OpenAI API key and Assistant ID. Okay, so I have my assistant and I have added my Assistant ID and API key to the bot. So let's come back here. I'll come here and I'll stop this. Let's clear the screen and let's start with pnpm dev. And it says that okay, So we are facing some issues, and the issue is originated here. So let's bring this back to the I'm facing errors running the code. Here are the errors, and I'll paste the thing and I'll hit enter, and let's see. Okay, let's fix the TypeScript issue that correctly as it might be undefined, but okay, let's say yes, add these things. Okay, let's add this thing as well. Okay, let's add these things. So it has basically changed a few things, and under OpenAI okay, require action. Okay, let's say. So it has understood that in case it is asking to run an action, then we throw appropriate error as well. It says okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, so it says that it has fixed the thing. So I'll come back here, I'll clear the screen, and I'll say, let's say pnpm dev, and see what happens. Okay, it went well without an error. So when I say hi, let's see if we get any error or not. No error yet. But no response yet as well. Oh, yeah, it worked well. Hi, how are you doing today? Blah 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 blah. So yeah, it worked well, it went well. Thank you, Claude. So I guess this is kind of a powerful tool, and you can use it if you know some background of what you are building. It helps best when you know some background of what you are building. This is what my experience. So people claiming that if you don't know programming, but with the help of Claude code you can build something and make millions, they are just selling their videos, nothing more than that. But if you think otherwise, please get back to me in the comment section. I'll happy to answer your queries or your remarks on this video. I hope this video is helpful to you, and now you can see, or you can utilize Claude code to build your own stuff. And if you build your own stuff, please get back to me in the comment section again. If you like what I put on YouTube, please consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.